the sea, so fascinating, so wonderful.
Hello friends, good morning. Yes, what a surprise, Millie's in her car on her break again. But today is a day I wanted to commemorate, shall we say. It is April 14th and 15 years ago today I first auditioned for Piano Cruises, and of course we all know where that took me, all around the world. So yeah, yesterday I found out that the project I'm working on is actually coming to a close in just 1 week's time, which is a lot sooner than I thought. So I am finding myself on the job hunt again. So that's why the nautical theme is coming back. I'm iffing and ahhing whether I should go back to sea. Can you recreate the good times that you had? I don't really think you can, but at this point I'm lost for a direction and I think ships might be calling me back. So to that end, I've collated this vlog. I've been editing a few bits together. Some bits, if you've been following me, you may have already seen, and some sneaky bits that you won't have seen. So this is just a little montage, shall we say, of inside the Cunard Queen Elizabeth, including a couple of crew areas. See you on the flip side.
should be simplified. put the pride aside. Just flip the switch on the side. I miss you, baby. I miss you, baby. Every argument, every single word, every scar and every bird. I miss you, baby. I miss you, baby.
I've been running most of my life, blowing smoke everywhere around. I've been searching, but I can't seem to find someone that can hold me through the night. I'll count to 10, then open up my eyes. If you're gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you stay, then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby. With the words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby. I've been trying to make sense of it all, looking for signs in the stars. But it's been right in front of me this whole time. Can't believe I didn't see the light. Count to 10, then open up my eyes. If you're gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you stay, then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby. With the words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby. If I never see the light, I wouldn't care, 'cause I'm so perfect right here. If I never see the light, I wouldn't care, 'cause I'm so perfect right here. I'll count to 10, then open up my eyes. If you're gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you stay, then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby. With the words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby. snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me, and let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night, time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that...
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the sun go down over the same old town.